So today we're going to take a look at the Ulanzi phone mount. Now the good thing about this is that it does hold your phone, but this can be used on the tripod, as you can see with the 1/4 screw down there. It also has the cold shoe mount right here, the little square piece down at the bottom. Now allows you to put this onto the GoPro media mod. Now you can turn this here, the little screw here, and this will allow you to functionally, move it up and down, things like that. On top, you have the 1/4 screw. You also have a cold shoe mount on the bottom here. So you could definitely attach different things to this, such as a light or a microphone. This does turn both ways here, so you can go this way with it, or you turn it sideways. It has a little button here on the side, if I can find it. Yeah, it allows you to adjust it out. I run a Samsung S10, and it does fit in here, so it's not bad. Ran me $12. I think $12.97 or something like that on Amazon. I'll put the link down there in the description box. So if you have the GoPro mod already, this is great. This will allow you to put your phone on top of the GoPro media mod and link them together, and you can run 2 cameras, or you can use the cell phone as your screen, just display screen. So either way, it's more functionality, right? So going into 2021, definitely upgrading some camera features and different things, and keep the vids going. Hope you guys enjoy. So we're going to take a look at the GoPro Light. Runs you around about $80. So features on this is you got a charging port right here, USB. Bring you up close so you guys can see that. You just open up the little flap there and charger. Everything you need to mount this on a media mod for GoPro comes in the package. And it's a cold shoe mount that goes onto the media mod. But you can also get it also comes with the regular, mounting piece as well. The light just slides right into the mounting piece and goes down screws on just like it normally would. Now the nice thing about this is the light is, it's a good bright light. So as you can tell, as I kind of move this around,